Welcome to Word Stress in English. In this lesson, we will focus on compound adjectives and learn how stress patterns work in these special word combinations. Understanding word stress is crucial for speaking English clearly and naturally, just like native speakers do. Compound adjectives are made up of two or more words joined together to describe a noun. For example, well-known, hardworking, high quality, and quick thinking are all compound adjectives. They give us more specific and detailed descriptions than single words alone. Word stress in compound adjectives is important for two reasons. First, putting stress on the correct word makes your meaning clear and prevents confusion. Second, using correct stress patterns helps you sound like a native English speaker and improves your overall pronunciation skills. There are two main stress patterns in compound adjectives. The first pattern puts stress on the first word, and the second pattern puts stress on the second word. Learning to recognize and use these patterns correctly will help you speak English with confidence. The first stress pattern applies to quality plus noun combinations. In this pattern, we stress the first word. Examples include well-known, meaning famous; high-paid, meaning having a good salary; low-paid, meaning having a poor salary; and fast-moving, meaning having quick changes. Notice how the stress falls on the quality word that comes first. The second stress pattern applies to adverb plus participle combinations. In this pattern, we stress the second word. Examples include well-known, meaning famous; well-educated, meaning having good education; bad-tempered, meaning getting angry easily; and self-confident, meaning believing in yourself. Here, the stress falls on the participle or adjective that comes second. Now let us practice what we have learned. Try to pronounce high-powered, which means very powerful. Notice the stress is on the first word. Next, practice good-looking, which means attractive. Here, the stress is on the second word. Keep practicing these patterns to build your confidence. Congratulations! You now understand the two main stress patterns in compound adjectives. Remember, first word stress is used with quality and noun combinations like well-known, high-paid, and low-paid. Second word stress is used with adverb and participle combinations like well-known, well-educated, and good-looking. Continue practicing these patterns in your daily English conversations to master them completely.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.